We say in pageantry, baklain mo na lang, te. 'Di ba? Kasi parang ibigay na lang natin yung pagka-showbiz or whatever entertainment na bardagula na gusto ni Nawat. Pero I think never ever lose your character. Nothing is worth sacrificing your character for a crown or for paingay. Yun lang yun sa akin. Kasi it's so easy to lose that along the way when you're starving for a crown. Tapos medyo demanding pa yung or kakaiba yung mga expectations from an organization. Pero baklain niya na lang talaga. Alam naman natin ang template ng Miss Grand, di ba? O kasi
Correct.
parang kung masyado niyang dadamdamin yung ganong pageant, madedepress ka lang. So parang, sige, I'm gonna step on that stage, put on a show, make a mark on the pageant fans. Papakita ko na linabang ko talaga yung Pilipinas kahit na kung anong pagluluto, ang recipe na nangyari, bala na kayo. Pero nakita niyo kung paano ako lumaban. And I think that's what we saw also from Samantha Bernardo, which led to the flourishing of her career beyond pageantry.